Hi guys, I am Shivam Gupta. Welcome to Mockzone MBA Preparation. So guys, today's video is going to be very important for those who are appearing for SNAP 2023 exam because in this video, I'm going to discuss 100 idioms revision in 15 minutes. Guys, idioms plays a very important role in SNAP. हर साल idioms के क्वेश्चन SNAP में आते हैं. और guys, ये जो 100 idioms हैं, हमने ट्राई किया है कि ये सारे ऐसे idioms हैं जो हमने अपने पहले वीडियोस में नहीं दिए हैं. काफी लोग पिंग करते हैं कि हमारे जो पुराने idioms के वीडियोस हैं, ठीक है, क्या वो सफिशिएंट है? तो गाइस एक्चुअली में देखा जाए तो इडियम्स बहुत सारे होते हैं, 2000 3000, ठीक है. तो उसमें से हमने 100 इडियम्स और लिए हैं जिससे आपको नया इडियम का क्वेश्चन ना मिले एग्जाम में. तो ये वीडियो को कम से कम 3-4 बार देखना. वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा बिकॉज हम लोग के चैनल पे लगातार कंटेंट बेस्ड प्लस नोटिफिकेशन बेस्ड वीडियो आते रहते हैं. चलो गाइस स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. गाइस ये हम लोग का टेलीग्राम, व्हाट्सएप एंड फेसबुक ग्रुप के लिंक्स हैं. ये सारे लिंक्स आपको ग्रुप कमेंट सेक्शन में मिल जाएगा, वहां से आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. चलो गाइस स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो गैस एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज यहाँ पे गैस कुछ दो कोट्स हैं बेसिकली. आपका एस बी एंड एस टी एच. एस बी मतलब होता है समबडी, जहां पे एस बी लिखा हो उसका मतलब समबडी है. एस टी एच मतलब समथिंग है, ठीक है. पहला है ऑल एंड सन्ड्री, मीनिंग है पीपल इन जनरल, एवरीबडी विदाउट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. स्टेटमेंट देख लेते हैं. आई डोंट वॉन्ट ऑल एंड सन्ड्री टू कम टू नो अबाउट अवर डिफरेंसेस. तो गैस स्टेटमेंट हम तभी पढ़ेंगे जहां पे नीड होगी. आपको बस ये मीनिंग में फोकस करना है. Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, the first and the last. The strategy to control inflation remains the Alpha and Omega of the government's economic policy. Run amok, be out of control, and act in a wild or dangerous manner. When the police arrived, they were confronted with a group of protesters running amok in the lanes of Old Town. Up the ante, increase the price, increase one's demand or the risk in a situation in order to achieve better result. The government has upped the ante by refusing to negotiate with the ultras until a ceasefire has been agreed. Because meaning main है, ठीक है. Have ants in one's pants. Be extremely restless, uneasy, impatient or anxious. इसका मीनिंग है have ants in one's pants. The young students just can't sit still. They must have ants in their pants. मतलब be extremely restless, uneasy, impatient. ठीक है. तो guys आप चाहो तो पॉज करके पढ़ भी सकते हो उसको, ठीक है. ad nauseam, if somebody discusses something ad nauseam, they talked about it so much that it becomes very boring. अब guys यहाँ पे sd मतलब क्या है? somebody. sth मतलब है something, ठीक है. मतलब आप कोई बात को इतना कर रहे हो कि वो बोरिंग हो जाती है. एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. she talks ad nauseam about how brilliant she was in her school days. बार बार यही बोलते हैं कितने ब्रिलियंट थे स्कूल डेज में. cast aspersions on, criticize somebody or somebody's character. His opponents never missed an opportunity to cast aspersions on his professionalism. Lead somebody astray, cause someone to make a mistake. The avant-garde, the artists, writers, musicians, etc. of any period whose work is very modern and very different to what has been done before. ये न्यू है, मैक्सिमम आपको न्यू मिलेंगे. About to, be on the point of doing something. According to, as or told by, something in agreement with. Easy है तो. Blow by blow account, a detailed description of an event given as the event takes place in ages for a very long time. All up with somebody, no hope is left for somebody. All up with somebody मतलब no hope is left for somebody. It is all up now with finding any survivors. तो guys ये कई बार fill in the blanks में आ जाता है. All hell will let loose, confusion, uproar. Don't take him into the party fold, or all hell will let loose. As broad as it's long, the same whatever way you look at it. She could not decide which offer to accept. She thought the choice was just about as broad as it was long. The bottom line in the final analysis, the most important fact in a situation. ठीक है. The bottom line is that pregnant women's health is at greater risk if they smoke. Final analysis, bottom line मतलब, ठीक है. वैसे देखा जाए तो जो फाइनेंस होती है, फाइनेंस में आपका जो इनकम स्टेटमेंट होता है उसमें बॉटम लाइन होती है आपका प्रॉफिट, नेट प्रॉफिट, बॉटम लाइन. गेट द बॉटम ऑफ समथिंग, डिस्कवर द ट्रूथ अबाउट अ सिचुएशन, क्रॉस द ब्रिज व्हेन वन comes to it, resolve a problem when it occurs rather than try to solve it in advance. Be on the brink of doing something, be likely to do something very soon. back to the drawing board, back to the planning stage. A bag of nerves, very nervous person. The ball is in somebody's court. ये common है. The initiative for taking action lies with somebody. ठीक है. Have a ball, have a good time. अच्छा है, काफी आसानी बातें हैं. ऐसे स्टेटमेंट अगर लिख के आ जाएगा तो समझ ही नहीं पाओगे आप. It was a great weekend. We all had a ball. We all had a good time. A whole new ball game. A significant change in circumstances. A changed turn of events. Banana Republic. A small poor country with a weak or dishonest government. Go bananas, become very angry, act crazy. Important है ये. Bang on, to be exactly correct. With bated breath, feel very excited or anxious while you are waiting. Pass on the baton. Give responsibility for something important to another person. The governor of the central bank resigns this month, passing on the baton to one of the closest associates. Responsibility दे दी गई. Baying for the blood, want somebody to be hurt or punished. The victims' families could be seen baying for the blood. ठीक है? Hand somebody something at a bay. Prevent something or somebody unpleasant from coming too near to one or harming one. Keep himself at bay होता है ना, दूर. Germs के लिए बोलते हैं. ठीक है? ऐसा. Beat a hasty retreat. Run away. I meant done something. To leave a place because it is dangerous or unpleasant. Beat a hasty retreat. Guys, ऐसी चीजें आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी. कम से कम 3-4 बार वीडियो देखना. Work like a devil. Work very energetically and hard. Important है ये. A bed of roses, easy option, a comfortable or luxurious position. Make a beeline for, go quickly and directly to somebody or something. Bell the cat, do a dangerous job. Common है तो job. Belly of the ball, be the most attractive woman at a party or similar event. Important है. Bird of passage, important ये भी है. A transient, one who is here today and gone tomorrow. He moves out nearly every year. He is a true bird of passage. मतलब कोई वो नहीं आता कि कहाँ पे आप रह रहे हो. ठीक है, मतलब कहीं भी आज यहाँ कल वहाँ ऐसा. A wet blanket, person who spoils other person's fun. In a cold blood, in a planned way and without pity or other emotion. The 2 Danes were shot dead in a cold blood inside the school campus yesterday. Blue blood, descent from nobility, aristocrat. Have the blues, feel depressed or sad. As bold as brass, shameless, audacious, impudent. He was not invited to the wedding and yet he showed up at the function. As bold as brass, shameless, audacious, impudent, ऐसा. Important है. कोई बात नहीं, रिपीट हो गया. As bold as brass बता चुके हैं. Shameless, audacious, bona fide, genuine, real. The new immigration policy is implemented so blindly that it sometimes leads to rejection of bona fide political refugees. Bosom friends, close friends who share confidences. Bosom friends मतलब close friends. At bottom, fundamentally, basically, also in reality. Break the news, make something known. It was difficult job to break the news. ठीक है. Make or hit the bull's eye. Get something exactly right on the target. Burn one's finger, suffer unpleasant results of action. Hide one's light under bushel. Show extreme modesty. Show extreme modesty. Important है. The corridor of power. The offices of powerful leaders. Wrap somebody in cotton wool. Protect somebody too much without allowing them to be independent enough. The mother wrapped the child up in the cotton wool as if it would protect him from all the dangers of the world. Couch potato, a chronic television viewer. Count one's chicken, make plans based on events that may or may not happen. I know you have ambitious plans for your entrepreneurial venture, but don't count on your chickens. Blow somebody's cover. Inadvertently give away one's secret identity. The Don came into the marriage in a woman's dress and hoped no one would blow his cover. ठीक है. Guys, आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट. काफी लोग न्यू है इस चैनल में. हम लोग का स्नैप का मिनी क्रैश कोर्स ऑलरेडी चल रहा है गाइस. ये ऐसा कोर्स है कि आपके पास अगर 15 से 20 दिन भी हैं तो आप बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो, बिकॉज स्ट्रक्चर्ड कंटेंट है. डिटेल्ड कोर्स की लाइव क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग्स यहाँ पे हैं. 80 to 100 आवर्स की रिकॉर्डिंग्स, चैप्टर बाय चैप्टर, 600 प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस, 250 से 300 पीवाईक्यूज एंड अदर क्वेश्चन. लाइव क्लासेस लगातार चल रही हैं जहां पे हम लोग और अच्छी वैरायटी करा रहे हैं. क्योंकि गाइस स्नैप पे सिंपल बात ये, एग्जाम टफ नहीं है, बस आपने कितनी वैरायटी देखी है मैटर वही करता है. तो ये कोर्स एक ऐसा कोर्स है कि आप बेस्ट से बेस्ट जो अपना 15-20 दिन में दे सकते हो वो आप कर सकते हो। इस कोर्स में मॉक्स भी इंक्लूडेड है, शेड्यूल टेस्ट भी है, और प्राइसिंग इसकी ऐसी है कि एनीवन कैन अफोर्ड। 15 मॉक्स के साथ इसकी प्राइस 1799 खाली है। अलग से आप मॉक्स लोगे 1000 के पड़ेंगे, 798 एक्स्ट्रा आपको देने पड़ रहे हैं, और कंटेंट आपको बहुत डिटेल्ड मिलने वाला है, बहुत क्यूरेटेड मिलने वाला है। पढ़ हर कोई रहा है, बट क्या पढ़ रहे हो मैटर ही करता है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एनमैट स्नैप के कॉम्बो पैक्स 1699 के हैं दोनों, और सारे मॉक्स लाइव हो चुके हैं, मॉक्स सारे रेलेवेंट है। एनमैट हो चाहे स्नैप हो, स्नैप के मॉक्स को ऐसे बनाया गया कि पेपर चाहे कैसा भी आ जाए एग्जाम में, 15 के 15 मॉक देके गए तो आप सरप्राइज नहीं रहोगे। तो ये कुछ मॉक्स में आरसी दिया गया है, कुछ मॉक्स में आपको पजल भी दिया गया है, यू नेवर नो क्या होने वाला है, इसलिए तो बाकी काफी लोगों के अच्छे रिव्यूज आते रहते हैं। ठीक है, चलते हैं गाइस आगे। गाइस ये हम लोग के रिजल्ट है, आप चेक कर सकते हो, ये आराम से आप बॉस के पढ़ना, आपको अपने आप आइडिया लग जाएगा। चिकन हेडेड, नॉट ब्रेव, a clarion call, a strong and clear request for people to do something. Cloak and dagger, of or characteristic of the activities of species and undercover agents. Important है ये. Do we need to go for a cloak and dagger way? Why can't we just meet in a cafe like everyone else? Be in clover, prosperous, living well. Important है. Be in clover, prosperous, living well. Play ducks and drakes with, squander or use selfishly to sweet oneself, waste. He lost his job for playing ducks and drakes with the company's funds. Use selfishly. Down in the dumps, unhappy, in low spirits, in melancholy mood. De jure, बहुत important है de jure and de facto. De jure means having a right or existence as stated by the law. The president aims to create a de jure one-party state. De facto मतलब होता है existing in fact, although not necessarily intended, legal or accepted. Fox pass, an embarrassing mistake made in public. Important काफी ये भी है. I realized I had made a real fox pass by accusing an honest person of stealing my purse. Embarrassing mistake made in public. Queerfish, strange or odd person. ठीक है. Nobody speaks to that old employee. Most others find him to be in the queerfish. Fair enough. That's reasonable. Having health warnings on cigarette packets is fair enough, but I think sachets containing chewing tobacco should also carry warnings. That's reasonable. Fair, easy वैसे है, ठीक है. Create a company, a decision or action which has already been made or done and which cannot be changed. एक action और decision जो already हो चुका है वो change नहीं हो सकता. The sudden change in the policy was presented to the party as fate or complete without any debate. A fall guy, scapegoat. The book claims the security guards did not kill the prime minister. He was just the fall guy, scapegoat. Actually इसने कुछ काम नहीं किया, गलत काम नहीं किया, but इसको ऐसे शो कर दिया गया कि इसने गलत काम किया. इसको बोलते हैं scapegoat. ठीक है, मतलब करा किसी और ने, क्राइम किसी और ने किया, इसको ऐसे प्रेजेंट कर दिया गया. A false alarm, a warning signal that is groundless, made either by mistake or as a deliberate deception. A guinea pig, any person or thing used in experiment or test. They are looking for the volunteers to act as a guinea pigs for new AIDS vaccine. Stick to one's guns, maintain one's point of view, refuse to abandon one's position. Play to the gallery, spend time doing or saying things that will make people admire or support you instead of dealing with more important matters. Game is up. The plan, etc. has failed. The trick has been exposed. Run the gamut, important है. Extend over an entire range. His music runs the gamut from rock to classes. Range काफी मतलब. Add insult to injury. Hurt a person's feeling after doing him or her harm. To all intents and purposes, in all the most important ways. An iron curtain, a barrier that prevents free exchange of ideas and information. An iron hand in velvet glove. Somebody who seems to be gentle but is in fact severe and firm. Iron hand, velvet glove में. An itching palm, a desire for money, greed, also wanting a bribe. Get itchy feet, want to travel or to do with something different. Ipso facto, ये भी important है, ये भी important है. By reasoning from previously known facts, the court held that ipso facto the owner of the company is responsible for the worker's death. By reasoning from previously known facts, पुराने facts के basis पे decision दिया. In toto, as a total or a whole, the available data amounts to very little in toto. Kill somebody with kindness, be too kind to be somebody. Make a killing, earn a lot of money very easily. A king's ransom, a very large amount of money. Kiss and make up, settle one's differences, reconcile, become friendly again. Kiss of death, an action or relationship that is ultimately ruinous. Kiss of life, mouth to mouth artificial respiration. Kith and kin important है, friends and relatives important है, काफी सुना भी होगा आप लोगों ने. Bring somebody something to their knees, humble or weaken somebody. As luck would have it, how things turned out as it happened. Bring a lump to one's throat. Somebody's action or speech makes others feel crying. Leave somebody in lurch. Leave somebody at a time when they need you to stay and help them. उस टाइम पे आपने छोड़ दिया जब उनको आपकी नीड थी. Take something lying down, accept without protest. Laissez-faire, the policy or practice of non-interference. The previous government had a policy of laissez-faire. Important है laissez-faire. सुना होगा शायद. At large, at liberty, at length. To our distress, the housebreakers are still at large. At freedom, liberty. On one's last legs, tottering about to collapse, almost ruined. The corrupt regime is now on its last leg, about to collapse. Mum's the word, say something about this, it's a secret. Murphy's law, ये सुना होगा आप लोगों ने. The way in which plans always fail and bad things always happen. ऐसा कंडीशन होती है कि सब कुछ गलत ही होता जा रहा है. इसको बोलते हैं मर्फीज लॉ. ठीक है. Be music to somebody's ears. Something that you hear makes you very happy. Make believe, pretense, imaginary or invented. Make light of, treat as unimportant. You should not make light of other people's apprehensions. Treat as unimportant. Man of his word, a man who keeps promises, who can be trusted. Important है. By all means, in every possible way, the milk of human kindness, concern at others' plight. A magic wand, an easy way to solve a problem. Be a disaster in making something is likely to develop into crisis. Steal a march on something, somebody. Obtain an advantage over a rival or opponent. Mea culpa, admit that something is one's fault. Shoot the messenger, blame or punish the persons who tells you about something bad. Prove one's mettle, show one's ability or worth. The Midas touch, ability to make profit or succeed in everything. The young MBAs, by giving great performance, have showed to the industry leaders that they have got Midas touch, ability to make profit or succeed in everything. Okay. To my mind, in my opinion, to my mind, he should look for another field. On a shoestring with a very small amount of money, a shot in the arm, encouragement, moral support, boost. Run the show, be in charge. Fight shy of doing something, try to avoid it. A sine qua non, something that is necessary, especially if you are going to achieve a particular thing. The company sees training as sine qua non of success. Sinking ship, a company or another organization that is failing. Small fry, people, organizations or activities that are not large or important. At snail's pace, very slowly. A sob story, a story which aims to appeal to person's sentiments. Tread on somebody's toes. Say or do something which upsets somebody, especially by becoming involved in somebody which is their responsibility. Tread water, not make much progress, perform unsatisfactory. Tread water, not make much progress. Trial and error, easier. A way of achieving and aiming or solving problem by trying a number of different methods. In a tries, in a very short period of time and instant. Do the trick. If something does the trick, it achieves what you want or need. Tricks of the trade, clever methods that help you do a better job or faster. A Trojan horse virus होता है. Somebody or something that attacks the group of organization it belongs to. ये सबको पता होना चाहिए क्योंकि नेगेटिव वर्ड है ये Trojan horse. ठीक है, मतलब कोई ऐसा ग्रुप या कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, somebody that attacks the group or organization it belongs to. So guys, ये हमने 100 पूरे कवर कर लिए. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो को फिर से बोलूंगा आपको कम से कम 2 या 3 बार देखो, आपको ये याद रहना चाहिए तो आपका बहुत सेफ रहेगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, बाकी हम लोग का सीमैट, एसआरसीसी, सीईटी का बैच ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो गया है. ओरिएंटेशन वीडियो आज आ जाएगा. ठीक है, जो लोग प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं देख सकते हैं. यू कैन चेक आउट, कोर्स काफी डिटेल्ड होता है हम लोगों का. आप व्हाट्सएप करो, आपको सब डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी. बाकी गैस हम लोग ये अलग से कोर्सेज हैं, SRCC का, CMAT का, CET का, टेस्ट का कोर्स अब CUET में चेंज हो गया है। बाकी कॉम्बो पैक्स, ये रिजल्ट्स एंड रिव्यूज, यू कैन चेक स्नैप के रिजल्ट्स। इसमें से काफी लोग हैं जिन्होंने मिनी क्रैश कोर्स ही लिया हुआ था, ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो, आपको यहाँ से आइडिया लग जाएगा। बाकी कोई भी डाउट आता है यू कैन व्हाट्सएप एट दिस नंबर। चलो गाइस, ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय बाय।